press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi students. So in the last class we have worked exercise 7.3 problems in coordinate geometry, and wherein we have completed question number 1. Now I will continue with question number 2. We shall solve question number 2 and the remaining problems in this session. So you may please open your textbook, NCERT textbook. So wherein you look into exercise number 7.3, question number 2. So it reads like this: in each of the following, find the value of k. 7 minus 2, 5 minus 1, 3k, and 3 coordinates are given. The condition is for which the points are collinear. This is very important. For which the points are collinear. Points are collinear. So this is the condition given. That means, so 3 points are in a line. If that is the condition in these 3 points, so what will be the value of k? So this is the question. So we have to proceed like this. Answer. So let us name these points. Let A be the first point, A 7 minus 2, comma B 5 1, and C 3k be the given points. So now, so what is the condition? The condition is that for which the points are collinear. If the points are collinear, so what we have to do is that when the points are collinear, when 3 points are collinear, they cannot form a triangle. That means they are in a straight line. Then the area formed by these 3 points, if we calculate the area of a triangle formed by these 3 points, it will be 0 because they will be on straight line. So therefore, what we do is, so area ABC, area of triangle ABC equals, the formula is half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this we have derived in the previous class. So here in this case, this becomes x1 y1, x2 y2, and this is x3 y3, and it is given area of the triangle will be 0 because the points are collinear. So therefore, I will take left hand side as 0. 0 will be equal to. So otherwise I will write here, given points are collinear. So therefore, area equals 0. So therefore, area ABC, you can write area of ABC, triangle ABC will be equal to 0. So therefore This left hand side will be 0, 0 equals 1 by 2 into bracket x1. This is x1 is 7, 7 bracket y2 minus y3, 1 minus k, 1 minus k plus x2 into, x2 is 5, 5 into y3 minus y1, y3 is k, y1 is minus 2. So, k minus of minus 2. You observe here, we have formula minus k minus y2, y3 minus y1 minus of minus 2. Small bracket, I will take a big bracket here. This is y2 or y3 minus y1, y3 minus y1. So, now plus x3 into, x3 is 3, you can see here, into y1 minus y2, y1 is minus 2, y2 is minus 1, minus 2 minus 1, minus 2 minus 1, close the bracket, close the bigger bracket. So, now this equals 0 equals 0 equals, so 1 by 2, so 1 by 2, so if you multiply by 2 both side, this 2 get vanished because 0 into 2 becomes 0, you can leave it as it is or you can write one step 1 by 2 bracket, this is 7 into 1, 7, 7 into k minus 7k, minus 7k, 7k, so plus, you multiply this 5 into k plus 5k, plus 5k, this is minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, so plus 2 this is, so therefore we will get 5 into 2, so therefore we will get 10 here, plus 3 into minus 2, so that is minus 6 we will get, 3 into minus 2, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. So, this completes. Now, 0 equals, so I am continuing from here, 0 equals 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into, if you simplify this, 7 plus 10, add the plus values, 17 minus 9, 17 minus 9, 7 plus 10 is 17, 17 minus 9 is 8. So, here is minus 7k plus 5k. So, from these two we will get minus 2k, and 7 plus 10, 17 minus 9, 17 minus 9, right here 17, I have added these two, and minus 6 minus 3 is minus 19, 7k minus 7k plus 5k is minus 2k, close the bracket. So, 0 equals 1 by 2 into 17 minus 9 is 8, 8 minus 2k, 8 minus 2k. Now, if you cross multiply, this is 0 by 1, 0 into 2 is 0, 1 into this thing is, you will get 8 minus 2k. Transfer this to left hand side. So, you will get 2k equals 8, or k equals 8 by 2, k equals 4, k equals 4. So, the value of k is 4. Now, I will erase this, Then I will take up the second one. This is the second problem. So, you can as usual comments like this, answer, let, you can give ABC or any other number, let P81, comma, Q, K minus 4 and or 2 minus 5 be the given points. Be the given points. Be the given points. So now these are the 3 points given. So now as they are collinear, as they are collinear, triangle PQR area will be equal to 0. So now area triangle PQR area equals half of, so we have this formula x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So now close this bracket. Now, so in this case this is 8. So this becomes x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Substitute the values carefully. So as we know, area is 0, this is 0 equals 1 by 2 into 0 equals 1 by 2 x1 is 8, y2 minus y3. So minus 4 minus of minus 5, minus 4 minus of minus 5. So you have to be extra careful when you got minus. So this is like this, y2 minus y3 plus x2 into, x2 is k, y3 minus y1, y3 is minus 5 minus 1, minus 5 minus 1 plus x3, x3 is 2 into y1 minus y2, 1 minus of minus 4, 1 minus of minus 4. Now you simplify this, 2 into 0, this becomes 0 as usual. So we will left with 8 into, first inside the bracket you simplify this, 8 into minus 4 minus of minus 5 is plus 5. So minus 4 plus 5, close the bracket, plus k into minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6 plus 2 into 1 minus of minus 4 is 1 plus 4, close the bracket. Now 0 equals bracket 8 into, this is minus 4 plus 5 is plus 1, minus 4 plus 5 is plus 1 plus k into minus 6 plus 2 into 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. Close the bracket. So, this equals 0 equals 8 into 1 is 8. 8 into 1 is 8 plus k into minus 6 is minus 6k plus 2 into 5 is 10. So, 10 plus 8 is 18. We will get 0 equals 18 minus 10 plus 8 is 18, 6k or 6k equals 18. 6k equals, when we take it to the left side, it becomes plus. So, k equals 18 by 6, k equals 3, 6 3s are 18. So, k equals 3 is the answer in this case. Now, I will move on to the third problem. Question 7.3, question number 3. We will move on to exercise number 7.3, question number 3. See, open your textbook and see question number 3. It is like this: find the area of a triangle formed by joining the midpoints of sides of a triangle whose vertices are, so 3 points are given, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 0, 3, whose vertices are 0, 3. Find the ratio of the area to the area of given triangle. So, try to understand the problem. I will read it once again. Find the area of a triangle formed by joining the midpoints of sides of triangle whose vertices are these three points. The question is, see here it is like this. We have a triangle. ABC. So, this is A 0, minus 1, 0, minus 1, and this is B 2, 1. Coordinates are 2, 1, and this becomes C 0, 3, 0, 3. So, here the question is, question is like this: find the area of a triangle formed by joining midpoints of sides of the triangle. So we have to take the midpoint of these sides and we have to join them. So there we will get another triangle. Suppose if this is the midpoint, say AB midpoint is P, let us say this is P, and BC midpoint is Q, let us say this is Q, and midpoint of AC is R, let us say. So now we have to join all these 3 points. We are getting another triangle here, PQR. So we are getting PQR. Now the question is, find the ratio of area of this smaller triangle PQR to that of bigger triangle ABC. So that is the problem. So now what we have to do is, we have the coordinates of A, B, C and we don't have the coordinates of PQR. To find the area of PQR, we need the coordinates. So therefore, we have to first find out the coordinates of P, Q and R. So for that, what we have to do is, see, we have coordinates of A, coordinates of B, and we know that P is the midpoint of AB. So therefore, we have to calculate the coordinates of P using mid section formula. So the section formula x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Using that formula, we have to find out the coordinates of P. Similarly, coordinates of Q and coordinates of R. After that, we have to calculate the smaller triangle area and the bigger triangle area. Now, so we have to proceed like this. Let A and this is B and this is C be the given points. Be the given points. Be the given points. So A, B, C are the given points, and let P, Q, R be the midpoints of points of AB, BC and AC respectively. So now the first thing is we have to find the coordinates of P, Q and R. So coordinates of P, equals, so midpoint formula will be equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 into y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So here, to find the midpoint of these two, AB, x1, this is x1, this is x2, 0 plus 2 divided by 2. So this equals 0 plus 2, 0 is this, 2 is this, divided by 2, comma, and y1 plus y2, minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. So this is the coordinates of point P. This equals 0 plus 2 is 2 by 2, comma, minus 1 plus 1 is 0, 0 divided by 2. So, this equals coordinates of P are 2 by 2 is 1. So, therefore, 1, 0 is the coordinates of point P. So, therefore, I will write here this is 1, 0. P is 1, 0. Now, calculate the coordinates of Q. Calculate this is 1, 0. Now, calculate the coordinates of P, Q. So, coordinates of Q equals, so apply the formula here, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, 2 plus 0 divided by 2, 2 plus 0 divided by 2. You understand here, 2 is this, x coordinate of this, x coordinate of this, x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2, 1 plus 3 divided by 2, comma 1 plus 3 divided by 2. This equals 2 by 2, 2 by 2 and 1 plus 3 is 4 by 2. So, this equals 2 by 2 is 1 and 4 by 2 is 2. 1, 2 is the coordinate of point Q. So, I will write here this is 1, comma 2, coordinate of Q. Now, coordinate of R. Coordinate of R equals R. So, R is the midpoint of AC. So, therefore, we will take x1 plus x2 divided by 2, 0 plus 0 divided by 2, 0 plus 0 divided by 2, comma, y values minus 1 plus 3 divided by 2, minus 1 plus 3 divided by 2. So, 0 divided by 2, we will get 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 divided by 2, we will get 0 only. This is 2 by 2, minus 1 plus 3 is 2, 2 by 2. So, this equals 0 and 1, 0 and 1. Coordinate of R is 0, 1. So, that is 0, 1. So, now we got all the three coordinates. We found out coordinate of P, coordinate of Q, coordinate of R. Next, we have to find the area of smaller triangle and area of bigger triangle, and we have to find their ratio. That is the problem. So, now it is inevitable, I will erase this. Next, I will find out the area of the smaller triangle. So, we have the coordinates here. So, now area of PQR, triangle PQR, area of triangle PQR equals half of. So, first time you write down the formula. Area of a triangle when three coordinates are known is x1 into y2 minus y3. This is easy to remember. They are in the cyclic order 1, 2, 3. x1, y2, y3 plus, next we will get x2 here. x2 into, this is y2 is there, we will get y3 here. y3 is there, I will get y1 here. Cyclic order 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 like that. Plus x2 is there, we will get x3, we will get y3, will become y1 minus y2. So, this is the triangle area when the coordinates are given. So, now in case of PQR, we have calculated the coordinates. So, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into, so x1. So here what we have to do is, while calculating PQR, remember this becomes x1, y1, x2, y2, this becomes x3, y3. So you can take in this fashion. So x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So now x1 into, x1 is 1, x1 is 1, y2 minus y3, y2 is 2, y3 is 1, 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 plus x2 into, x2 is 1, x2 is 1. So 1 bracket y3 minus y1, y3 is 1 and y1 is 0, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0 plus x3. So x3 is 0 here, so I will write 0, y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2, 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2, close the bracket. So this becomes 1 by 2 bracket, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, this becomes 1 plus 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 0 is 0. So we will get 1 here, plus 0 into this bracket, it becomes 0. So this equals 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 into 2. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 0 is 0. So therefore 2 and 2 get cancels, we will get 1. So area, we have to write it as 1 means, so because it is area, we will write it as 1 square units. Area is 1 square units. So now you calculate the bigger triangle area now. So area of triangle ABC equals same formula, half into x1 into y2 minus y3, same formula we have to apply. Remember now, in this case again you have to remember these things, x1, x2, x3, do not get confused, these things becomes, this is x1, y1, this becomes x2, y2, this becomes x3, y3. So now you have to take these coordinates, ABC area. So therefore x1 is 0, 0 into y2 minus y3, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3 plus x2 into, x2 is 2, x2 into y3 minus y1. So 3 minus of minus 1, 3 minus of minus 1, close the bracket, plus x3. x3 in this case you can see 0, 0, x3 0, y1 minus y2, y1 is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, close the bracket. So if you carefully simplify this, you will get 0 into anything, it is 0. Here 2 minus of minus 1 is 2, 3 minus of minus 1, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 into 2 you will get 8 plus 0 into minus 2, this is 0. So therefore this is 1 by 2 into 8 into 8, 2 ones are 2 fours are. So therefore 4 square units, 4 square units. So area of the bigger triangle is 4 square unit. So finally what they have asked, therefore ratio of smaller area to bigger area. So therefore area triangle PQR divided by area triangle ABC equals, this is 1 square unit and this is 4 square unit, or we can say it is 1:4. 1:4. This is the final answer. Now I move to question number 4. I hope you are following me. Now, question number 4, find the area of the quadrilateral. Question number 4, find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order C -4 -2, -4 -2, 3 -3 -5, -3 -5, 3 -2, 3 -2, 3 -2 and 2 3. So these are the 4 points given, and we are supposed to find the area of quadrilateral formed by these 4 points. Now let us call this as, so let this call this as A, this is B, this is C and this as D. Now let us draw a quadrilateral. Say this is a quadrilateral, and I will join these points. So this is ABCD quadrilateral. Let us call this as point A. Point A, and its coordinates are -4, -2, -3, -5, -3, -5, and C coordinates are 3 and -2, -2, and D coordinates are 2 and +2 and +3. Now the question is, we are supposed to find the area of the quadrilateral. See, we have formula for finding a triangle area, and we don't have any formula for finding a quadrilateral area in coordinate geometry so far, whatever we have learned. So now what we have to do is, we have to join, see, one of the diagonal you join like this. You can join AC, join AC. join AC. So, when you join AC, you will get two triangles here. One is ABC and another is ACD. There are two triangles. So, to find the area of the quadrilateral, find the one triangle area ABC and another triangle area ACD and add the two, you will get the total area. That is how you have to solve this problem. So, now, let A, B, C, D be the given points, So, a rough diagram is drawn. So, in this join AC, join AC. Now area ABCD will be equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. So, now we are almost through. Now we have to find the area of this, add the two. So, now first I will take up area of ABC. Area of triangle ABC, and for that we have formula 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now, so this equals half into. So, in this case, you be careful now. This becomes x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 in this case. So, we are calculating the area of this triangle ABC. So, therefore, x1, that is minus 4 into so y2, so this is, you can see here, y2 minus y3, minus 5 minus of minus 2, minus 5 minus of minus 2. So, this is x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into, this is x2 is, this is x1 y1, x2 y2 minus 3 into this is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So, y3 minus y1, so minus 2 minus of minus 2, you can see. So, it is minus 2 minus of minus 2, close the bracket, plus x3, this is x1, x2, x3, this is 3, and y1 minus y2, this is y1, this is y2, minus 2 minus of minus 5, minus 2 minus of minus 5, close the bracket. Now, you simplify this, 1 by 2 into, inside the bracket first you simplify, minus 4 into minus 5 plus 2, minus 5 plus 2, minus of minus 2 is plus 2. This is plus of minus 3, let it be as it is. This is minus 2, minus of minus 2 is plus 2, minus 2 plus 2. plus 3 into minus 2 minus of minus 5 plus 5, close the bracket. Now you can see here, this is 1 by 2 into minus 4 minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3, minus 4 into minus 3 from these two, plus this is minus 3 into this is 0, minus 3 into minus 2 plus 2 is 0, plus 3 into minus 2 plus 5 is 3, close the bracket. So this equals 1 by 2 into minus 4 into minus 3 is 12 plus 12 plus 0 plus 9. So this equals 21 divided by 2 equals 10.5 square units. Square units. So the area of ABC equals 10.5 square units. 10.5 square units. So now we have to take out ACD area, second triangle area. Now I will erase this. Area ACD. Now area of triangle ACD equals half into, again you need not have to write the formula time and again, but you have to be careful in substituting the values. This is x1 y1, x2 y2, not this one, this time a x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So likewise you have to take. So x1 is minus 4 into x1 into y2 minus y3, minus 2 minus 3, minus 2 minus 3, plus x2 into, that is 3 into x2, y3 minus y1, 3 minus of minus 2, three into 3 minus of 3 into 4 minus, this becomes minus 5, 3 minus of minus 2, 3 minus of minus 2, plus x3, this is x1, x2, x3, x3 is 2. So minus 2 minus of minus 2, minus 2 minus of minus 2. So you can close it now. This is like this. So you will get 1 by 2 into minus 4 into bracket minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5 plus 3 into 3 minus of minus 2 is plus 2, minus of minus 2 is plus 2 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 2, minus of minus 2 is plus 2. So this becomes 1 by 2 into 4 5s are 20, minus 4 minus 5, this becomes plus 20, plus 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 into 3 is 15, and this is 2 into 0 is 0, because minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So 35 divided by 2, 35 divided by 2, 17.5 square units. Square units. So therefore, what is asked? Total area is asked. So therefore area ABCD equals area ABC, triangle ABC plus area triangle ACD. So this equals, first one we got 10.5 square units plus this is 17.5 square units. So 27.5.5, 28 square units, 25 square units. So this is question number 4. So now we will move on to question number 5 now. Section 7.3, question number 5. Please bear with me. So, we'll take up the last problem under this. Question number 5. So, question number 5. So, you have studied in class 9, chapter 9, example 3, that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. Median divides a triangle into two triangles of equal area. Verify this result for triangle ABC whose vertices are A, it is given 4 minus 6, B 3 2, B 3 2, C 5 2, C 5 2. So here what is given is the vertices of a triangle are given, and we are supposed to verify the criteria that the median of a triangle divides the area into two equal parts. So these are the 3 points given. See, what we have to do is we have to draw a triangle here. So this is, say, A. First I will complete the diagram. This is ABC. So let this be point B and point C. Now B is given by 3 minus 2. A is 4 minus 6, B is 3 minus 2, minus 2, A is 4 minus 6, 4 minus 6, 3 minus 2 and C 5 2. 5 2. So now the question is, we have to prove that the median, if you draw a median to this, that median divides the triangle into two equal parts. So for that, what we have to do is, a median is a line which is joining from vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So therefore, we have to find the midpoint of BC now. So you can call this as, let us say, P. Let P be the midpoint of BC. Now our first thing is, we have to find out the coordinate of P. So midpoint, let A 4 minus 6, B 3 2, C 5 2 are given points. Given points. So now let P be the midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC. So coordinate of P. Coordinates of P will be equal to x1 plus x2 plus x2 divided by 2, because it is the midpoint, and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So this equals, so here x1 is 3 plus 5 divided by 2, 3 plus 5 divided by 2, and y2 plus y3 minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 plus 2 divided by 2. So therefore, this is 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 by 2 and 0 by 2. So this equals 2, 8 by 2 is 4, 4 comma 0 are the coordinates of P. 4 0. Now join AP. Join AP. Join AP. Now the problem is, we have to prove that APB triangle area is same as APC triangle area. Those two triangle areas are similar, same. That is what we have to prove. So you find the area of this triangle, find the area of this triangle, show that they are equal. That's all the problem. So now area ABP, area ABP, area ABP. So I am finding ABP. So this is first triangle, let us say this is second triangle. Area ABP I am finding will be equal to, see, you know the formula, half of x1 into y2 minus y1. So that is 4 minus. So once you write the formula, half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, close the bracket. So this equals, so we will get 4 minus 2 minus 0, 4 minus 2 minus 0 minus 0. This is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. This is y2 y3 plus x2 into x2 is three. 3 into 0 minus of minus 6, 0 minus of minus 6, 0 minus of minus 6, close the bracket, plus x3, x3 is 4, 4 into minus 6 minus of minus 2, minus 6 minus of minus 2, minus 6 minus of minus 2, small bracket, close the bracket, and you simplify this. So 1 by 2 into 4 minus 2, minus 2 minus 0, you will get minus 8 here. This is minus of minus 6 is plus 6, you will get 18 here, plus this is minus 6 minus of minus 2 is plus 2, you will get minus 4, you will get minus 16, 4 into minus 16, 4 into you will get minus 4. I will write one step. So minus 8 plus 18 minus 16, 1 by 2 into minus 8 plus 18 minus 16, minus 16. So you will get minus 24 plus 18, minus 24 plus 18. So you will get minus 24 plus 18 is minus 6 divided by 2 equals minus 3. Remember, area cannot be negative. Even though the value is minus, we will take the area as 3 units. So therefore, area equals 3 square units. So you write here, area is positive. So negative area has no meaning. So therefore it is equal to 3. Area will be equal to 3. We have to write like that. So 3 units. So now area, another triangle, area ACP, area ACP equals, now this is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So I will write 1 by 2 into 4 bracket, this is 2 minus 0, 2 minus 0 plus 5 into 0 minus of minus 6 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 plus x3. In this case x3 is 4. 4 into minus 6 minus 2. Minus 6 minus 2. Close the bracket. So if you simplify this, you will get 1 by 2 to this is 8 plus minus of minus 6 is plus 6, it is plus 30, and minus 8, that is minus 32, 38 minus 32, 38 minus 32 divided by 32 half of 38 minus 32, 36 by 2 equals 3 square units. 3 square units. So, we have proved that this triangle and this triangle are equal. So, therefore, you can write therefore triangle ACP equals triangle APB equals 3 square units. So, that means the median divides the triangle into two equal parts. So, this completes section 7.3 problems. So, thank you all.